How to change language on Trust Wallet. First up, all you have to do is go to the App Store and search up Trust and then download this app. After this, sign in or log into this app and then click on the settings icon that you can see on the top left corner. After you have accessed the settings, as you can see, you have plenty of options to choose from. Here, scroll down and look for the preferences option. Click on this and here you can see app languages option. This will take you to settings of Trust and here you can see language written there. Click on language and as you can see, default English language is selected right now, but you can also choose from lots of different other languages. For example, right now we are going to test out choosing Arabic language. Click on the language that you want to change it to and as you can see, the language has already been changed. And this is how you can easily change your language in Trust Wallet. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.